This problem tells us that we need to buy a cable that has special connectors at both ends. It could probably be a little more specific. When we buy this cable, you have to pay for each foot of cable, and then you also need to pay for the connectors that are on either end. So if we buy a 6-foot cable, that means we're paying 6 feet of cable, paying for 6 feet of cable, plus we have to buy 2 connectors, one for each end. And it tells us that that costs us $15.50. We also need a 3-foot cable, 3 feet plus the 2 connectors, one on each end, costs $10.25. Notice we only have 2 variables, 2 things we're looking for: cost per foot, cost per connector. So 2 variables, we only need 2 equations. That's all we need there. I'm going to multiply this bottom equation by -1. I get 3F equals 525. So we should be able to divide both sides by 3 and find that each foot of cable costs $1.75. We can plug that right back in up here. And solve for the cost of each connector. Each connector costs $2.50. And then the question asks, what should you expect to pay for a 4-foot cable? So we have 4 feet of cable, 4 times 1.75, plus we need 2 connectors. Should cost $12.